we're working towards a VHF UHF Manpack. We have our HF Manpack. This is our FT891. There's all of the accessories that go inside this. But I wanted one, and I'm working on a budget. I'm thankful for this. London Bridge Trading here in Virginia Beach was kind enough to give me this hydration carrier. And if you're curious, go to their website and search LBT2649 Bravo and check it out. This pack is amazing and it's perfect for what I wanted. So we have a surplus Harris antenna, 30 megahertz to 870. Yeah, 870. And we have a 12 volt 10 amp hour, which is used to power this. Normally I have a 6 amp hour on the way. That's going to fit in this pouch, but before I put that in there, I wanted to show you guys, if you ever need to make a slit in a bag, don't use a knife, just use a soldering iron and just heat it up, put a small nick in there or whatever size you need to fit what you need. And this fits in here like so, and ironically it does fit quite well, but I would rather have this pouch or something else, carry accessories, whatever I need. But for the time being, today at least, because my battery will be here tomorrow, and that works. Now this, I picked this up, this QIT KT8900 for 70 bucks on Facebook a long time ago. Didn't really use it for anything. I plan on putting it in my truck as a mobile. I wound up picking up a different mobile setup that I'm much happier with. This, I just didn't really have a place for it, and it's small. I could have used a different pack, but this is perfect for what I'm shooting for here. So 70 bucks, had it unlocked to do VHF and UHF. And what you're seeing is plastic. This is an old ammo can, a Plano ammo can that I had from probably 20 years ago when I was in a paintball. I cut it apart and then I heated it up with a heat gun and I flattened it out. You can still see the crease where this is bent. Made a mistake, cut that. It is what it is, we make it work. If you're on a budget, you figure it out, right? Take a pocket knife, cut out some notches for this so that when I'm carrying it, the weight is being bared on those mounts. So this is the same thing as well. I heated it up with a heat gun and then slowly molded it to protect the radio internally. We have our power going out the back. We have a bulkhead connector for TNC that's going to go here, run down, go into our SO239. And this is really what it looks like. I literally heated this up and bent it. It's pretty sturdy for what it is. I don't plan on it causing too many issues. But when it's done, this antenna is going to slip through this cutout like so and look something like that. Pretty neat. I don't know what your guys' Manpack builds are like, but I'm curious. We have our PTT running down the arm here, and we'll see how it works, right? This is a first test. I don't know if it's going to be something that I continue to run in here. I have some other radios I may try out. Definitely going to open this back up and swap this out. I'll put my 6 amp hour. It's only 3.5 inches long. It'll fit down in here perfect. And we'll see. We'll see how it works. See what it looks like. And yeah, there we are. If you made it this far, thanks for sticking around. If you have questions, please drop a comment. I appreciate it. Check me out on TikTok and Instagram. We'll go from here. Thanks, guys.